Dan Cong, Honey Orchid Oolong. Dan Cong is my favorite oolong. This is a really paltry serving of it, just like, you know, tea bag size, less than that maybe. So I'm using my smallest Gaiwan, and I'm not going to fill that up all the way. I just want a little taste of it. This is really good. This is some people's gateway tea. Honey Orchid Dan Cong, DANCONG. Don't be skimpy. Don't buy the most expensive, but you know, maybe the second tier. If you appreciate it, you will appreciate the difference. So let's go. I want to be less, I will myself to be less groany. I don't want to groan. Oh, I haven't had a Dan Cong in a while. It's, I didn't order enough. I wanted to try a whole bunch of new things my last order. But this is just amazing. Let me see if I can explain it. Okay, chalky. So there's some minerality I noticed right away. There's this beautiful Dan Cong flowery perfume that is common throughout them. If you're really into it, they make some that taste like ginger flower or jasmine flower. I don't know if they make jasmine there, but a variety of specific flowers. I'm not a flower person. I can't pick that out, but I have to take their word for it. It reminds me of church with my parents and as a kid. Something about it. Well, no, I know what it is about it. It's my mom's purse. She had a perfumed handkerchief and a container of hand cream. So creamy, and it was a bamboo purse, so a little bit woody too. I'm not counting here. I should have counted. She's a ham. Oh, wow. There's something to tea that is more than flavor and skin feel. This is just beautiful. You know, I tasted a little bit of that that flavor I associate with purple teas. I don't know if it's accurate, but the first time I noticed it was in a purple tea, and it was quite prominent. Got a little bit of that here. That doesn't do you any good. It's it's kind of an umami-ish flavor. Let me see. You know, you want to not say things that people have a negative thought of, because all these tastes are positive. Some of them are interesting positive, but fat from a piece of meat. It's a little bit like that. And again, this is subtle. And I can't believe I'm talking while I'm drinking. I should. The whole mouth just feels like I just had really good tea right through it. The sweetness in this, let me describe the sweetness. The sweetness. I have something, you know, specific in my mind right out of grasp, though. Dare I say honeysuckle? I think it might actually be honeysuckle. It's something I haven't had or experienced in a long, long time. I was really pleased that there was hardly any tea dust. Oh, and now I think the explanation is I knew I was leaving myself a skimpy serving, so I didn't leave myself any tea. It was just all leaves, or any dust. Dust being just a small part of the leaf, small particulate parts of the leaves that have broken off. Once the leaves are fully hydrated, I'm not religious about religious or overly scientific about the amount of tea I use, the time I steep it. I try to get it about the same. I always try to start. Well, depends on what kind of tea it is, but for an oolong, I start off 10, 12 seconds. Yeah, some spice now. Like actual, like in the cinnamon direction, like, barky cinnamon. This is just really beautiful. This is a day when it's like 0 degrees out. Not like, it's 0 degrees out, or colder. Not because of this, but one of the things that you just notice about teas sometimes is you can feel them deeper down in your throat, as if the pleasure goes beyond the back of your throat and down your tube a little bit. Back of the mouth into your throat. I'm gonna let this go a while here. It's a thing to do. You're always observing the tea. Not always, but it's not a ceremony, but you have to give it full attention. If you have a guest, you share that attention on the tea and have some good conversation. I just think, like, for instance, during this session, I was thinking, I should do a couple sessions with just no talking, just like what I would do myself, hidden camera type stuff. I didn't remember the liquor being this light. Now, it smells like wet rocks. That's the minerality again. Its character is fading. That was, how many? I think 8 steepings. I'm going to try just one more. Come here, baby. That's her blanket. It's usually over on that part of the sectional.